Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mustafizur Rahman Chaudhry Tanvir, ex-student government president of York College, the City University of New York. Jummah Mubarak. Today my topics is that when we go to mosque and pray, we should really make a connection. It should not that we just should really go to the masjid and really come home. When we go to the masjid, after saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, in my right side, two person, just introduce yourself. Assalamu alaikum, my name is this, and I'm from Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, and stuff like that. Tell your name. Tell the country you are from, at least start the discussion and ask his name. Similarly, when Assalamu alaikum, from the left side, say Assalamu alaikum and tell your name, and then ask their name and where you are from. Because so do not come home without meeting 10-15 people. And if every single person do that, that's the community will be closer, tighter. And I think that it is very important. It's not that something that we go to the Jummah Salat, pray and rush and leave. Do not talk to anyone. It is not the only purpose that we go to the masjid. So we go to the masjid to meet other brothers, talk to them, and you will see so many benefits from this, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.